Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. On my last video, I just glazed a chocolate mousse entremet with chocolate mirror glaze. So this time I decided to make an actual traditional mirror glaze using white chocolate chunks. It starts with 1.5 tablespoons of powdered gelatin combined with half a cup of cold water. And then I just mixed it all together until it's fully combined and set it aside for later. In a pot, I have half a cup of water and added 2/3 of a cup of condensed milk. And then I also added 1.5 cup of white sugar. And I just mixed it all together, make sure they're fully combined. The sweetened condensed milk is a little bit thick, so it's important to mix it all together. And then I put it on the stove to heat up, and I let it boil for no more than 2 minutes. Of course, we have to stir it constantly. And once it's boiled, we can take it off the stove. And this is where we add the gelatin mixture that we had set aside earlier. And we just mix it all up again. Make sure that the gelatin mixture is fully dissolved. And once it's all combined, we now add this hot mixture to 2 cups of white chocolate chunks. Now, before I started mixing it all together, I actually let it sit for about 5 minutes just to let the chocolate chunks melt a little bit. And I wanted a red mirror glaze, so I added red food coloring. I think I used Americolor or American Color food color here. And at first it was more of a pinkish color, so I decided to add some more drops of the food coloring to make it as red as possible and get the color that I wanted. Now once that's all mixed up, I then transferred it to my measuring cup, but I had to use a strainer just to make sure that there are no impurities into the glaze. There were some small chocolate chunks that were not melted. And I set this aside until it reached the temperature, which is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it is at the perfect temperature, we can now start pouring it onto our dessert. So we just want to make sure that all the surface is covered, and we just let it drip. And to finish off this the dessert, I just added some small white round sprinkles, just so the dessert doesn't look too plain. This is actually just my second time using mirror glaze. The first one was just a plain chocolate mirror glaze, but this is the first time that I made a traditional mirror glaze with white chocolate chunks, and I'm enjoying it so far, so I might make some more in the future. Now it's time to transfer it to the cake board for serving. And voila! There goes our small, cute, heart-shaped chocolate mousse entremet with mirror glaze. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm very new to this, so please support my channel. Thank you and have a good day.